Welcome to this IELTS prep series brought to you by Bridge International. Let's get you ready for the test. In this first episode, we will be learning about all the different modules and what you should expect on your test day. My name is 𝒑𝒓𝒔𝒕𝒂𝒏𝒅𝒊𝒏𝒈 and in the series, I'll be your guide. So what exactly is IELTS? IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. If you are planning to either study or work abroad, IELTS is going to be your golden ticket. It is accepted in over 144 countries and is one of the most recognized English proficiency tests worldwide. In the IELTS test, you will be given 4 modules on the basis of which your English skills will be tested. We have writing, reading, speaking, and listening. Each module of IELTS, you will be given scores from 0 to Band 9. The ideal score range you should be looking for is around Band 6. This is accepted in most universities, and if you can aim even higher, that will be even better. For the writing module, you will be given 2 questions that you will need to complete within 60 minutes. You will not get any extra answer transfer time, unlike listening. And in case of writing, for the task 1, you will be given variations of diagrams on the basis of which you will need to write a summary. For task 2, there will be a question statement which will be describing you a situation. And on the basis of that situation, they will be asking you a question. Based on the type of question they are asking you, you will be writing an essay covering all the parts of the question. For the brief introduction of the reading module, just remember this: 3 long passages, 60 minutes, and 40 questions. And you will also be getting different types of questions that you will have to find by looking at the passages. Very simple, right? Not that easy. For that, since you are only given 60 minutes and passages so long, you will have to learn effective time management skills. And for that, you need to be able to skim and scan smartly. In the speaking module, you will basically be practicing for an interview. And you have a choice. You can either have that interview done face-to-face, or you could also do that via a video call. The test will be divided into 3 sections, or 3 parts, you could say. For the first part, the examiner will be asking personal questions about you. And don't worry, it is not going to be on a complicated topic. They are going to be very general questions. Could be about what you like, what you do, or what you think about certain things. In part 2, you will be given a cue card asking you to describe something. And they will also be giving you some points to guide you regarding what you would say. And don't worry, you will also be given 1 minute preparation time for this particular part 2. And after that, you'll have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. In part 3, they will be asking you follow-up questions regarding the part 2 topic that you got. And the better you answer, the better your score will be. In the listening module, you will hear 4 recordings. That could be from monologues, dialogues or conversations, and sometimes even lectures. The audio will be 30 minutes in total, and you will be given 40 questions. You will obviously be getting different types of questions because it is a listening test, and don't worry, we will discuss all of that further. At the end of the test, you will also be given 10 minutes extra to transfer your answers into the answer sheet. And here's the plot twist: the audio plays only once. Also, don't forget that the listening test can arrive with variation of English accents. Mostly, it is British, but you also need to prepare for American accent, Australian, Canadian accent. You get the point. So before you even start preparing with the listening test, make sure you train your ears. And one more thing. In your actual test day, your listening, reading, and writing test will be held on the same day, except for your speaking test, which can be held a day prior and sometimes even a few days later than your LRW test. And that's a wrap for today. Congratulations! You have just taken the first step towards cracking your IELTS exam. Don't forget to stay tuned with us, Bridge International, for more smart IELTS tips. See you soon.